guys, hope you all doing great. This video is a short tutorial about the charging and the discharging of a battery. In this video, you will learn about the following topics: the dynamics of the battery, how to charge and discharge a battery, how to use the MATLAB functions, how to use a circuit breaker, and in the last, how to use the tags in Simulink. So let's get started. Here is the full detailed model. Now I'll explain each and every block and their role in the model. Let's start with the Power GUI block. This block is a must whenever you are using a block from Sim Power System library. Second block is the battery. The battery is used to provide almost the constant voltage to the load. Okay, let's double click the battery block. Here we have three sections. First section is related to the parameters. Second section is related to the discharge characteristics, and third one is for battery dynamics. Now there are several types of the batteries available. You can choose any one according to your need. Here you can specify the nominal voltage, the SOC and the rated capacity at the starting of the simulation. The next block to learn about is a MATLAB function. MATLAB function is a block which allows us to write the logics in statement form. It takes some input and based on some logic it generates the output. We will use this block for switching our circuit breakers in the circuit. Now coming to the fourth block, the circuit breaker. As the name suggests, this block is used to break the circuit. You can control this breaker from the external signal. If the control port gets 0, the breaker will be in off condition, and if the control port gets 1, the breaker will be in on condition. The block number 5 is the tag. There are two types of the tags. One is goto tag and another one is from tag. Goto tag takes a value and transfer it to the corresponding from tag. You can make this tag local as well as global. Rest of the blocks are voltage measurement block, the current measurement block and the scope. Okay, let's have a look on the general arrangement of the block in the model. There are two batteries in the model. The battery 1 is used as a power source. In the starting of the simulation, this battery will supply the power to the load. Now because the battery is supplying power, so the state of charge of the battery will go down. As soon as the SOC of battery 1 will go below 40%, it will get connected to the battery 2. As the battery 2 voltage level is higher than that of the battery 1, so the current will flow from battery 2 to battery 1. Hence the battery 1 will get started charging. The battery 1 will continue charging till its SOC does not reach up to 80%. Once the SOC reached 80%, battery 1 will get disconnected from the battery 2 and again the load will get connected to the battery 1. We have covered all the major blocks in the model. Let's simulate it. Here are the simulation results of the model. We have three plots on this graph. First plot is showing the state of charge of the battery. The second plot is showing the current value. The third graph is showing the voltage across the terminal of the battery. From SOC plot, we can see initially the battery 1 is supplying power to load. That's why its SOC is decreasing. Once the SOC reaches 40%, the load will get disconnected and at the same time, battery 2 will start charging from the battery 1. Okay, let's see the current values plot. It is showing the positive current till the load was connected as the current was coming out of the battery. Once the load gets disconnected and the battery 2 is charging the battery 1, the current values are negative. That means the current is flowing into the battery 1, which means the battery is charging. Thanks a lot for watching this video. Please post your feedback and send your queries. Please do not forget to subscribe my channel. This was Satya from Urban School Simulation Services. Have a nice day.